All right, folks, this is a 2015 Volkswagen GTI. Car stalled out on the road, wouldn't drive, battery stone dead. So I'm gonna do this on the road. Found a little parking spot that I got it to. Here is the battery, looks like the original one. So it's, I don't know, 9 years old? Boy, so went to AutoZone. Got this battery right here, 3-year Duralast Gold. Let's go to change it, all right? Right here, well, there's a little cover for it. Take the cover off. Take the 10 millimeter negative cable off first, right? Negative first, and then negative last, all right? Another 10 millimeter comes off, and we take care of the positive cable, okay? After that, there is a 13 millimeter bolt right there. That bracket is actually shaped like a little bit of an L. That's what holds the battery in. After that, you lift it up out of the way. This is the cover. Not sure how it goes. I guess it goes this way, because the original one, it was actually tucked under. All right, so lift the battery up, put it in. I tightened up the 13 millimeter already. Since on the road, I don't have any of the wire brush that I normally would when you clean up the terminals. So we're just gonna push this one down here like this, and we're gonna tighten it up. So let's go get my wrench. Usually I have a 1/4 inch drive to do this, but when you're on the road, you do what you got, right? So let's see what I got here. Let's tighten it up. Okay, so we're gonna do the positive side first. I'm gonna switch hands here. All right, I'm gonna make sure this is on. I bought the new little felt things over there. Tighten the bugger up. Now I'm gonna reach over. I'm gonna grab the negative one that's already back here. I'm gonna put that one on here. I'm gonna tap that on to make sure it's on. Tighten that up now. All right. I'll do the other petroleum jelly, all that stuff later on in life. We're just gonna get off this road and take the little baby home. All right. So put the cover on, put the cover on. That is it. Off we go. Let's wrap this up before it gets too late. There's a little Craftsman tool set that I got. Comes with handy stuff. I mean, this was just a tad short. Could use a little longer one, but it is what it is when you buy a little handy kit. Okay? That's it. Let's put the tools away.